This is exactly what I was thinking. How long is Vishwa going to take to believe that I am the one for you?
You really thought that?
Exactly.
And I thought the other way. What I thought was, how long will this guy take to realize that I'm not the one for him? Do we fight like married couples?
Yeah.
What fight do you remember?
Several.
Oh, बताओ एक बताओ चलो. Hi, this is Vishwa.
And this is Vivek. And we both got married in February 2017.
And for those of you who are watching, this marriage is like any other marriage.
So it all started when I pinged him on a gay dating app, and we decided to meet at a cafe in Ahmedabad, and that's where it all started.
Between the first time that you met me and the time that you finally decided that I was the one for you, what was going on in that duration in your mind?
So this is exactly what I was thinking. How long is Vishwa going to take to believe that I am the one for you?
You really thought that?
Exactly.
And I thought the other way. What I thought was, how long will this guy take to realize that I'm not the one for him? He was the one who said that he's interested in building a life with me first, but I was the one who, said that, do you want to marry me?
You bent the knee.
Yeah, I bent the knee. More like it was early morning, and we were together. We were living in this house at that time, and this one morning I woke up and I saw him, and we both were like talking early morning, and I kind of just turned around and said, "Do you want to get married? Is that like, do you want to marry?" And he said, "Yeah, okay, let's get married." I was like okay.
मैं विश्व की मम्मी हूँ और विवेक मेरा बेटा है जो विश्वा के साथ आया है। एक हमेशा से एक चिंता रहती थी और मैं इसको विश्वा के संग हमेशा शेयर करती थी कि अब ये एक तो कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं था ना कि हाँ लड़का तो अगर लड़की ढूंढते या पार्टनर मिल जाएगा, लेकिन एक लड़का कैसे ढूंढा जाएगा और एक लड़का कैसे मिलेगा उसको, ये मेरी बहुत बड़ी एक चिंता भी थी। और वो मैं इसको कहती भी थी कि आई विल द हैप्पीएस्ट व्हेन यू विल गेट अ पार्टनर। विवेक के आने से ये चिंता मेरी हमेशा के लिए दूर हो गई।
No, I
No,
told them of the
after-
relationship, and that's when things got serious, and I was thrashed, and he was thrashed at his place.
चपाट पे चपाट मारे थे, इसको भी मारे थे, मेरे को भी। मेरे को तो इतनी मार पड़ी थी ना, मेरे घर पे ही आके मारा था। When we were actually getting married, when the ceremony was going on, when the fire was in front of me, and he was wearing, red, and he was looking amazing. I was at that time that I was like, this is actually not a bad idea at all.
Me being an atheist, I did not clearly understand all the rituals that were happening, the fairas, the garlands. To me, it was in the back of my head, it wasn't making sense. I wanted a paper or a legal thing to it. The legal aspect was missing.
Yeah, that is something that I think even till today, both of us feel very strongly about. We believe that there should be in some form or manner, the right to marriage. The other aspect that bothers me a lot is that, say, if tomorrow I have a heart attack and if I am in a critical situation, he will have no right over my medical procedures. He will have no right over my body. My parents will have to come and claim because he is still a stranger. So the fact that that recognition is not there, that is one thing that definitely hurts a lot of couples.
Our marriage is not different. Our marriage does not exist for them.
Yeah, legally for them, their point of view is
That your marriage hasn't happened. So, what are
Yeah,
you talking
क्या,
about?
आग के सामने 4 बार चक्कर लगा 7 बार चक्कर लगा ले तो शादी हो गई क्या? For them, it's that. For them, the question is that, and we don't have an answer to it.